Welcome back to Clark's Culinary. Today we're making a bacon veggie roast. Start by thawing out 12 ounces of Brussels sprouts. If you can find fresh, you may use them also. Slice 2 cups of button or portobello mushrooms in half. Slice 1 zucchini in half-inch slices. Slice 1 red onion and separate the layers. And slice the Brussels sprouts in half. Spread the vegetables out on a baking pan. Sprinkle with salt. Black pepper, and garlic powder. Drizzle lightly with avocado oil. And toss the vegetables to coat them with the seasoning and oil. Cut 8 to 10 slices of bacon on top so the bacon flavor can cook down through the vegetables. Place the pan in an oven set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. Afterwards, enjoy. Thank you for watching Clark's Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.